Victor, November, X-ray 1-4, 3rd Avenue South Dixie.
Everyone went out.
Boy's mama. I'm the boy's mama. My kids. I'm going home to my kids.
I know who your boy is.
Well,
I need your drive. Hey,
stop!
Stop!
You can't drive. Me in the middle of the street then. Me in the middle of the street then. That's what you did. You put me in the middle of the street. Me in the middle of the street. Yeah, you put me in the middle. I'm not staying on the ground. You put me in the middle of the street. That's what you're doing. Put me in the middle of the street. Me in the middle of the street. You fake ass cop. You don't even know you're trying to kill me in the middle of the street.
Just send me some units. Give me.
That's what y'all doing. You're not putting me in that car. No, you're not putting me in that car. You kill me in the middle of the street. Me in the middle of the street. My kids is waiting on me. Y'all trying to kill me in the middle of the street. Yeah.
All right, Randy, you can.
Yeah, y'all did that. Kill me in the.
So it wasn't a traffic stop.
It was a traffic
You tried
stop.
to kill me in the middle of the street.
She took off, and then she stopped right in traffic.
No, I didn't stop. No.
Just try driving off.
Kill me in the middle of the street. Kill me in the middle of the street. That's what y'all did. Kill me in the middle of the street.
It's up there. It rear-ended another car. I think that white Chevy.
So if the two of you want to go ahead and do
Thank you much. Kill me in the middle of the street. That's what y'all did. Up to the side to my mama. Lady, you didn't do nothing. Bro, stop pushing me up. Stop pushing me up.
Put your legs in the car.
Stop. You already killed me. What I need to stop. Stop picking. Y'all seen this shit. Me in the middle of the street.
I'm over here standing here.
Oh, y'all killed me.
I forgot. I keep one in my pocket.
Yeah. You can't keep nothing in your pocket. You killed me already. What you mean? That shit been happening.
All right, Jake, you gonna put her in? Yeah. Okay.
Y'all already. Yep, y'all already did it.
Might be mine. I had a cut on my hand. Jesus.
Your face?
You don't need to see my face. It's already busted up.
Do you not want to help?
No, you can and all your fellow officers.
I'm not an officer, man.
Okay, well, wherever you are, you can be with them.
He's gonna be great.
Huh?
He's gonna be great.
She's going to be going to CJ, but under a big red.
Listen, y'all already did that. Y'all already did all of that. Y'all been doing it. Y'all been doing it. Y'all been doing it.
She was hobbled, so it's like limits her movement. I think she's
Y'all
alright.
don't know who I am.
Based on her.
Y'all don't know who I am.
All right, sure.
Y'all already done did everything. It's okay.
Can we get her just out so she's not in that position? Yeah.
Yo, don't get me up. In the car. Burn it. Bullet na my
Well, I don't want to burn the
car with everybody. Me in the car.
around in a
Me in the car with everybody. Nigga, you gonna have to burn me. Cracker, you gonna have to burn me. Fuck you mean? Y'all gonna have to burn me. Fuck you mean? Burn me in the car with all my children. Burn me in the car.
They're about fire. We're not.
Yeah, well, y'all about fire. Burn me in the car. Cause what I told y'all, leave me alone. Yeah, burn me. Oh, with all y'all kids. Man, y'all. Interesting.
We're going to pull you out.
Y'all had me on the side of the road. The same way you pull me out is the same way you gotta pull me up. That's not how you pull me out. That's not how you pull me out. Same way you pulled me out is the same way you gotta pull me up. Same way you pull me out is the same way you gotta pull me up. Same way you pull me out, same way you gotta pull me in. Same way you try to pull me in this car, you gonna pull me in this car. Swim the machine.
You're like kid size or what? Like, get her top in and we got to get her feet. I got her feet.
Cut my feet, cut my feet, cut my
Fix your, I got her top.
We got.
Huh?
cut my feet. If I can't go out the car on my own, I'm not going out the car.
She has her foot. She keeps wedging her foot.
Beautiful design on these cages. My dear, is there any way you can use your legs?
Is there any way y'all could unloose my arm? Oh, okay. Y'all can't unloose my arm. I can't unloose my leg. Y'all don't break it.
They get some vitals on you, okay?
No, you're not getting no vitals on me. Kill me right here on the floor. Kill me right here on the floor.
She's wedging her foot in
I
between
don't
there.
need your help. Right here on land. Please do
But you
not
gotta come up,
touch
out,
me. I just told you guys, do not touch me. I'm an adult. I do not authorize none of you guys to touch me.
You already
I'm not authorized none of you guys to touch me. Your body camera is not even working. It wasn't working when you attempted to pull me over and you're not a real officer.
You're right, I'm a sheriff.
You're not a sheriff
Good
deputy.
observation.
You're someone that I don't know.
I do have a strange feeling we've met before.
I've met her a few times. It's the same thing.
Right now, right here, right now. Officers, me, Sheriff Department, take these handcuffs off of me. If not, y'all can kill me right now. Ain't nobody touching me.
Nobody
If
wants to
y'all not
hurt
taking
you.
the handcuffs off, I'm not
We
talking.
gotta make sure you're okay. All right? We have to.
I'll make sure y'all okay. Take the handcuffs off. I'll talk. Take the handcuffs off. That's illegal. So, it is what it is. Y'all did it illegally how many times? No, you're not doing that so many times illegally. Stop. Take all that shit. Y'all know y'all lying. Y'all know y'all lying. No, I'm not gonna do no shit to take my handcuffs. Take my handcuffs off. Take my handcuffs off.
Wait, this is a traffic stop or accident?
Take my handcuffs off.
Traffic stop. When I pulled around the
Nah,
car,
you didn't have no. What traffic stop you had? What traffic stop you had? What probable cause you had? What was your probable cause? Your body came was your problem. I followed you. You followed me. I get from behind you. You get behind me for what? I didn't do anything to you. So take my handcuffs off. Nah, forget the willing to listen. No, forget the willing to listen. I could be died right here. Y'all got me on the middle of the street naked. For me back on them one last song. Tutuni, you make them laugh. In the middle of the street. In the middle of the street. In the middle of the street. So my boys got to see me in the middle of the street. Now, you guys know where my kids are. They're in school. I brought them to school. Y'all know this. I brought both of them to school to learn education. So yeah, I did all of that.
Hey, get a hold of the TK.
Take that shit off of me.
Get photos before we go to
I just don't want to take off the gloves yet, and I don't want to touch my...
Yeah, y'all doing this. This is not for the kids.
Hey, Dylan.
Because you guys want to.
I don't want to take my gloves off. Will you call TK for me?
This is what y'all wanted to do.
I don't want to take my gloves off. I don't want to touch my phone yet. Will you call TK? And ask, just let her know that she's going to be going to the hospital if she wants to get here and take photos
I don't
before
have
she
my
goes.
phone to call nobody, and they're not helping.
You know what I'm
They're
saying?
not even letting me call anyone for help. They just have me in the middle of this. No, y'all not fighting fair. Y'all know y'all not fighting fair. They just like them.
We don't want
They got me in the middle of the street like a pig. Y'all can't take me to no hospital. I'm not going to no hospital. There is nothing was wrong with me to take me to no hospital. I took my kids to school this morning. I know I did. And then y'all involved with the police. I know y'all got people in there. The biggest boss is with the police. I know this. I know who's with the police. Y'all know the guy that raped me. Who's with the police? The general. Everybody's with the police. And the firemen. We know. We know. We know.
But she said something, she's like, I'm the boy's mom. I'm like, what's that? Then she's like, I'm just going to leave. Good thing she wasn't wearing a seatbelt, because it just pulled her off. But then, unfortunately, her car decides to go kiss another car.
All right, my dear, we're gonna help you up to your feet, okay? Okay.
I don't want you guys help.
She's hobbled.
I don't want y'all.
If I take the hobble off, are you going to cooperate?
I don't want no help from you.
Yeah, but that's not us.
I don't want y'all help.
We have to help you.
I don't care. No, I don't want no help. I don't
Unfortunately,
want no